Well, I've been a brand ambassador for one of the leading hair brands, I think not just in India, according to me, in the world, which is Head and Shoulders. We've had a wonderful working relationship. We respect each other. I respect the fact that it's helped me a lot through, ever since I've started using Head and Shoulders, whether it's, the anti-dandruff earlier or now the anti-hair fall. I think I'm proud to, actually say that I'm proud of my lovely locks and I'm proud of my hair only because I think I use Head and Shoulders. I maintain this beautiful hair which you all keep talking about thanks to the brand that I'm absolutely loyal to.
How much effort does it really take in maintaining such lovely, gorgeous hair, Kareena?
Well, it's definitely a little difficult because of the working conditions and the products that are used constantly in our hair, for different hairstyles or for different, looks that we have to keep doing. But I think the fact that, I keep my scalp hydrated, I try to protect, my hair fall, which does happen. And I think everyone in the room suffers from hair fall because every human being, man or woman, there is a time of year which has, that you constantly try to have that amount of hair fall, excessive hair fall at that particular time. But I think Head and Shoulders has come up with this new shampoo, and I think that's what I keep using 2-3 times a week, and it's really transformed my hair. It keeps it hydrated because of the sun that I think we're all in most of the time. Working conditions outdoors, like I just shot my last film in 50 degrees. Wow. So I was in Goa and in Hyderabad, so at least 2-3 times a week I was trying to, use the Head and Shoulders shampoo, and I think it's worked, for me, as it's there for everyone to see now. According to me, I think I've been very lucky. I'm very particular about my hair, and so is Saif, but I'm sure there have been embarrassing moments for everyone out here in the room, So I think that's why for that Head and Shoulder has now come up with 2 separate shampoos. One is Hair Retain for men and Anti-Hair Fall for women, which I think, solves this magical problem of embarrassing moments. Well, I think that the fact that, if an actor who works in such, different and difficult circumstances, they're constantly, kind of tampering with their hair, or we use different products constantly, if we can maintain our, scalps and our hair fall using Head and Shoulders, I'm quite sure the young generation of today can do the same. And obviously, जिस product से मेरा नाम जुड़ा है, तो definitely लोगों को असर तो पड़ता है, जैसे आपने कहा, and they understand that there is a reason because this is the most trusted shampoo. Well, I think हफ्ते में 2-3 बार हम Head and Shoulders एंटी हेयर फॉल शैम्पू यूज़ करते हैं. बालों में आमंड ऑयल के इस्तेमाल करते हैं क्योंकि हम लोग धूप में बहुत ज़्यादा रहते हैं, तो स्कैल्प बहुत ड्राई हो जाता है और स्कैल्प को हाइड्रेट करना बहुत ज़रूरी है.
ऐसी ही कई इंटरेस्टिंग बातों के लिए सब्सक्राइब कीजिए बॉलीवुड वाला को. डू शेयर योर फीडबैक्स, कमेंट ऑन आवर स्टोरीज एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक द स्टोरीज.